Our stone is Sowilo, which means the sun, and it's a beautiful, positive rune. And in a rune reading where you're doing either like a Celtic cross or the three Norns, Sowilo is the strongest in that set. Whatever you pull, Sowilo outweighs everything. So if you pull Hagelas and Sowilo, Sowilo would overcome the Hagelas. So Sowilo is probably the most powerful stone in the Elder Futhark. And it's about inner light and radiance. And it's, good luck, it's good fortune. It encourages us to shine our light in the world, and that, the pathway is really being illuminated. So some of the modern interpretations are inner light and radiance, success and achievement, energy and vitality, healing and transformation, clarity and focus, inspiration and creativity, leadership and influence, balance and integration. So, when you're looking in your journal, if you pull this for a journal reading, really think about places in your life where you shine. Our culture doesn't encourage us to champion ourselves. So this stone is saying, listen, you have these amazing gifts. Write about them. What are your gifts? We all have places where we're not gifted. We often do that in shadow work. Like, here's a place where I suck. But this is a call for you to champion, girl, what are you good at? Or guy, what are you good at? Or they, what are you good at? What are you good at? What is really good, and what do you bring to the table? Talk about success. Talk about how you fuel your fire, what you put into yourself to help your light shine. Do you need new batteries? Think about, clarity and creativity and leading with your light, balancing light and shadow. And then, of course, you can do some more creative things with it. I am wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.